So guys, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Family.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm good. Look.
Let's go.
He really wanna open the door.
Yeah. Where's the wallet? Here. Where are we going, Selena?
We are going to the gym. I need to do some little bit workout. Look at this one, oh.
Yeah. Let's go.
Look. He really want to go outside so much.
Let's
Damn,
go.
this boy like to go outside.
Hey. You will fall.
He's running.
Give me a hand.
That's what he want. He really want to go outside.
Hold them.
Yeah, I'm holding.
Damn. Selena, you want to swim also? What? For sure.
Yeah, maybe. La la la. La 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 la.
Oh, very nice. Sawadee-ka.
Hello.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah. Them. Me have some lazy to do exercise.
I love you. I love you, my love. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, nice and cold.
Sorry.
Not
Na.
bad.
Ha 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 ha. Yeah, I'll be fine.
Yeah. Hello. Well. Yeah, you throw that to me. Oh yeah. Yeah. You throw me. Come on. Yes, sir. Finish the camel though.
No.
Harder, faster. Yeah, like this. Yeah, pull hard. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Whole time. Let's go.
Oh yeah. Come here now.
You will take the baby. You will take the baby outside.
Yeah.
I will take these clothes off.
Yeah. No, we don't want to come here. We want to swim.
What's cooking? Yeah. And what is this? I forgot. Oatmeal, yeah. With the egg. No, with the egg, yeah. Egg and butter.
Oi. Yum. Look at that.
Oatmeal with the butter, so
Yeah.
good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. It's nice.
Yeah, that's it.
Mine is so yummy.
Damn, in the prison guys, I eat so much oatmeal. Oatmeal and egg. I eat every day, like,
Did you eat with egg also?
yeah. Like, I eat like 12 or 15 eggs every day.
Wow.
Yeah, I did lots of gym there also.
So you have kitchen there also, where you can cook.
No, you have your own. I borrowed someone else's stuff. Everybody have their own rice cooker or
Really?
like gas stove.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you have to make a small deal.
But you didn't buy, just borrow.
I know I'm not gonna stay there long.
Yeah, of course. It's people just buying. That's not good. You're attracting it. That means you will stay there because you buying stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not good.
Somebody smelling food, huh? Smelling food. Baby boy, parcels for you. You ready? Huh? Look at this. We got so many parcels for you. Look how fast everything is coming, right?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Damn, that's a nice. Damn, you just threw it like that.
Yeah.
Give me the knifey. Move. Oh, you have 3 boxes, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the right one. We have new diaper, new brand of the diaper. What's this one?
Look at this. Open up.
I think I already know. think I already know what is this one. Oh wow, that's nice one. Look. Oh yeah.
Yeah. But it's like this.
That's we will use this to change his diaper.
Yeah.
Like that. Oh, that's so nice one.
No, it's other way. Other way, baby.
Huh?
Other way. Like that.
Like that?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Yeah. The water gonna come through, right? Because this one is plastic.
Yeah.
So let's clean your air snack. Let's see how much stuff you have inside. Oh, be careful with the knife. You will step on it.
Guys, we're gonna go outside.
Yeah.
Selena wants the fancy nails.
Yeah, I want to
Gel.
try. Yeah, I never have the gel.
Yeah, let's try.
So let me try.
What about the stroller?
Huh?
You're not gonna put him to the stroller?
At least bring the stroller.
Of course. Who's gonna carry him? Selena is so excited, she already forgot.
It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining a little bit.
Dun, 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 dun. It's right here anyway.
Yeah.
They have also haircut, do you see?
Yeah, they have a haircut.
Yeah.
You go left side, baby.
Left side.
Yeah. You go. Oh, is this busy? Is it busy? Hello, miss. Can you do chill? Chill. No English, it's crazy, right?
Yeah, it's crazy. That's so hard to speak. They don't speak.
So 7 p.m. Selena, we'll come back here 7 p.m.
7 p.m.
Let's take coffee.
Yeah, let's go get the coffee.
Yeah.
Damn, that's so hard.
Huh?
They don't speak.
Yeah, they speak.
Let's go get street food there.
Food there.
Yeah.
Do you think she's there?
Yeah, like this.
Do you think she's there?
I don't know.
I don't think she's there because it's raining. Oh yeah, maybe she's there. Yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah, she's here.
Yeah, she's here.
Yeah. Ooh la la. What do you wanna buy? It's wet. It's oily.
She's still cooking it.
It's ready.
The one that I get yesterday, it was
Oh,
there.
okay,
She's
okay.
cooking. I want that, like this one. But
Oh, okay, okay,
I
okay,
want the hot one.
Okay. Ooh la la.
Do this.
What's that? Really?
Yeah, the chicken. You know the chicken here.
Okay.
Yeah, this.
Damn.
How much was that?
3 USD.
3 USD.
Yeah.
I got so much off.
180 pesos.
Ah.
So cheap, right?
180 pesos. Yeah,
And
I
it's
got.
good.
Yeah.
Fresh.
Let's get my coffee.
Let's get my coffee. My coffee.
Why you bullying?
Damn, guys, look at this weather. It's so annoying.
Yeah, we have rain every day. Yesterday also. Oh my god, oh my god.
Yeah, it's a rainy season now. 6 months.
Yeah. Yep.
Where's the woman? Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, you eat.
Oh wow, it's hot. Look at
That's
this.
so good, huh?
Try it.
No, I don't want that.
Damn, it's so creamy.
Yeah. Creamy.
That's so fresh, yeah.
Damn, Selena is saying it's so bitter. The meat is so creamy.
It's so good. That's the best street
is
food
that?
I've tried.
What is it?
River. Liver. Mama's street food lover. Look, you wanna bite? It's hot.
No.
Like I will give you like that. It's hot. I'm sorry, Mama so bad. Give you hot. There you go.
How is it? You like it? Good, huh?
Very good.
Damn, that's so good.
So
coffee.
good coffee.
Yeah, it's not sweet, you know. It's so good.
Yeah, it's not weird. It's just
It's perfect.
yeah, perfect.
It's really perfect.
Bitter.
coffee.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah. Damn, baby boy is going hard on that meat.
You like it?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
going
it's so
super
good.
hard.
It's so
Yeah.
fresh meat.
Yes.
It's so soft also.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's going so hard.
You want to try?
Why yesterday last time when we gave 100, we got only 3 pieces.
Did you give
Oh
100?
yeah, I gave 100. And she gave us 3 pieces. Now look how much I gave.
Yeah, I got so many.
Yeah.
Maybe because you didn't ask how much.
Maybe.
You just give it. Give also Papa.
No. Papa no much. So I've been left with the baby. 2 of us. Selena went to get his nails. Her nails. Hey! It took you too long.
Yeah, 2 hours.
2 hours. Then that's crazy.
I got my nail.
Let's see, let's see.
I told him to cut it, but he don't want.
Oh, really?
He just want to paint
Oh,
it.
wow, damn, they're beautiful.
Yeah,
The
so
picture.
beautiful.
How does it feel?
It feels so nice.
Really?
Yeah, it's so punchy.
How much did you pay?
Me?
Yeah.
Guess how much?
I don't know.
Good thing I bring more money.
You bring more money? How
Yeah.
much they charge you?
1.5.
1.5?
Yeah.
Damn, they said 700.
1.5.
Why so much?
We said because of the design.
Oh, really?
750 is the just the color.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but this one has design.
Damn, that's
1.5,
crazy.
so expensive.
Yeah.
Very expensive.
Yeah, they look nice. So guys, that was our day. Damn, it's already 10 p.m.
So late.
So late. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and guys, as always, see you in the next video. Bye bye.